Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to sow Coneflower seeds, full guide. Start by choosing fresh seed and a sunny patch with well-drained soil. Remove weeds and debris. Lightly work the top 2 to 3 inches of soil to create a fine seed bed and rake smooth. Sow seeds thinly, cover very lightly with soil or vermiculite, and water gently to settle seed. Label rows and keep soil evenly moist until seedlings emerge. In this video, I will explain how to sow Coneflower seeds, full guide. For surface sowing, scatter seed evenly and press into the soil so light contact is achieved. If starting indoors, use trays with sterile mix, keep temperature around 65 to 70 degrees F, and provide bright light. Harden off transplants for a week before planting out. Maintain even moisture and protect young plants from slugs and heavy rain to reduce transplant shock. In this video, I will review how to sow Coneflower seeds, full guide. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's Black Ice Automobile to keep your car smelling great after muddy garden trips. It smells crisp and long-lasting and fits easily on a vent. If you enjoyed this tip, please subscribe and like so you don't miss more gardening hacks, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help with care after sowing Coneflower seeds, full guide. Once seedlings appear, continue gentle watering to encourage deep roots and avoid overwatering. Apply a light, balanced fertilizer once plants have true leaves to support healthy growth without excessive foliage. Mulch around plants to retain moisture and limit weeds, and remove diseased foliage promptly to reduce disease spread. Monitor for pests and stake taller varieties if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.